The tempering furnace behind me has been installed and ready for trial. The installation of the furnace is very simple. After arriving, customer only need to install ceramic load. How to install the ceramic loads? First, press the operation button to rise, and the furnace body will rise automatically. Second, install the ceramic load according to the groove. 3. Press the button to lower the furnace body, and then start operation. The glass is heated at high temperature, saved here. After arriving here, it is cooled by air to achieve the effect of tempering. Then it will be transferred to cooling conveyor.